Alright, go.
Hey, Canadians!
Go.
We gotta find somewhere to stay.
Where?
I don't know. Leaf, you got a leaf in your hair. Oh my god.
Okay.
My name is Ernest the pilot.
My name is Leaf. Well, Ernest the pilot, where are we?
Well, Leaf, we're in Ohio. Who are you?
Who are you?
Go.
One silent civilization and go that way. You're welcome. Oh, yeah. Maybe we could stay here. Hi, can we stay here?
Can I stay here?
Man, it's been to 2 houses already and we've been denied by both.
This place is so mean. What's that?
Okay.
Alright, if we get past the guard dog, Cerberus, we can rescue her. And we can sleep in the house. Alright,
You wrestle the dog.
I'm gonna wrestle Cerberus.
I'll untie
Okay.
Persephone. She can get you. Get him. Get him. Uh-huh. Set.
My name is Ernest the pirate. Oh, I get it. You said Allison, get off my phone. Your name is Lee.
Are you guys ready now? Yeah, it was good. It took a little bit. Okay. Oh, well, Ernest the pilot, where are we?
Well, Leaf, we're in Ohio. Well, one of us is going to say, whoa, what's that?
Oh, that would be good. Alright, ready? Man, we've been denied. Gosh, we've been to 2 houses already and we've been denied by both.
This place is evil. Cut.
Coming at your mouth with your blah blah blah. Zip your lip.
Look at all of them. Look at them. Just look at all of them.
I know this. Oh my god.
Do you see all of them?
Look at them. There's so many. That is so disgusting. There's
It's so
so
bad.
many. Oh,
terrible?
Can you please just vacuum that one right there?
Look how many there are.
Ow. Okay.
Just like take a look for yourself. Like
There's so many. Wait, put it back to the light because you can see them when it's like that. Yeah. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, well do the vacuuming. Hmm? I would be too. I would be too. Okay, just do it. Christian! 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 What the